At Hanger Clinic, we understand that caring for kids takes a unique approach. That's why we have an entire team of incredible people who specialize in working with children.
You definitely have to treat kids differently than adults. What we do here at Hanger Clinic is more than just expert care. It's more than knowing all those pieces and parts. It's really making those connections with those families, engaging and being compassionate and understanding them through their journey.
And Jillian would know. She is one of our more than 300 board-certified pediatric, orthotic, and prosthetic clinicians around the country.
We know how to speak to kids in their language. It's important to make contact with the child and make them understand that they're the most important person in the room.
Not only that, we focus on great communication with everyone involved in the patient's care, from referring physicians and other providers to siblings and parents.
It's a total team approach.
A parent. Who better to tell us about their experience with Hanger Clinic's pediatric specialists?
The experience that we've had here with the pediatric orthotic team has been amazing. They've fitted Abigail for ankle-foot orthotics since she was 18 months old, and that allows her to run and jump and play with all of the other kids her age. She even loves to pretend to be a unicorn.
Who doesn't love unicorns? Anyhow, over the course of her daughter's 7 years, technology and treatments evolved with new, innovative solutions for her. That's a lot to keep up with.
Not a problem. We stay ahead of the curve with clinical education and teamwork.
By teamwork, he means hundreds of pediatric specialists around the country collaborating with each other on how to treat specific patients. That's why Hanger Clinic has the highest level of experience and expertise in the business.
Well, it is expert care, but it's also compassionate care.
Of course, that's what kids need, and we really have a heart for that.
Hanger Clinic is amazing because they get to know us as a family, and they get to know, what works for us, and they build that relationship. So it's not just coming in, gathering the information and sending you out the door. They take the time to get to know you as a family.
I literally get to watch these kids blossom into capable, confident young people because of the work we do together. That's what I love most about my job.
All right, so let's review everything we just learned.
We have the most experienced team of pediatric, orthotic, and prosthetic clinicians.
The highest level of expertise in working with kids.
The most up-to-date, individualized treatments and technology.
Excelente comunicación y educación.
And life-changing outcomes.
Hanger Clinic, empowering kids to be kids.